guys, I am back for another Amazon Live. Today we're going to be switching it up a little bit and doing a little unboxing and try on of some new sweaters and winter wear that I just got in. Today the brands that I'm working with are V-Show and Lil Better. So two new brands that I have not tried out before, so we're going to check out the quality, the fit of all of these, and just see some cute little sweaters and holiday outfits. So first let me just show you what we have on as our base. So my absolute new favorite jeans in the entire world are these high-waisted Levi's. They're a boot cut. Just with the camera, it's a little bit hard to see, but I have it on with some UGG platform slippers, which I mean are just a perfect gift for Christmas for literally anyone. I have the black ones, wear them legit all the time, best thing ever. But that's just our little base, and then I just have a little white tank top so I can throw everything on top. But I have a couple cute pieces that are some little winter wear. We're gonna start off with this little fleece jacket. So we're gonna open these up, try them on, and see what we're working with. This one is by V-Show. And I love anything warm. This is like a really cozy, little plush fleece, like throw over. So I'm just gonna put this on top. Oh, okay, we have like a little asymmetrical neckline thing going here. And this material is so comfortable, nice and like cozy little plush. I'm wearing like the gray green color, again size small, but so cute. And then this little detail is so cute. I feel like it's a little weird with it undone, but we're gonna do some of these buttons. And definitely a nice and warm little winter outerwear piece. I'm going to a winery for the first time tomorrow, so I'm trying to find something that's like really warm and cozy but still looks cute, and this might have to be in the running with like a big long jacket, right? This is so cute. All right, one more. These are really good quality, like heavy duty snap buttons, and then we have like a mock neck, not a full turtleneck. The back, let's check this. So here's the back. It is definitely longer, covers your bottom. And then for the front, you have like this nice little quilted material panel, the lining that goes down the sleeve, and just such good quality. So definitely impressed with this first one. I feel like to style it, I am just very short, so I would probably do a little tuck with this, so it's not so long. Oh, and we have real pockets too, guys. So two pockets, they're lined with like this quilted material, and then just have like a little detail on the side. But super cute, super comfy, and just like cozy and warm for the winter. This is definitely adorable. Big fan for our first try on. Final looks. And then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, this material is 10 out of 10 right off the bat. This is so comfy, so soft, and just such a good little staple for your closet. This is a cute little like gray brown top color. Absolutely loving the fit, love this material. Let's do a little tuck. It's definitely longer, covers your bottom. I'm like 5'1", so for length comparisons from the side, it is all the same length around the side. But we are just gonna do a little tuck in the front. Here's our second sweater, guys. So cute. It's a little wrinkled, but only because I just took it right out of the package to try this on. This is so comfortable. I just have no words to explain how cozy. I feel like this would be so cute with like a skirt and some boots. Perfect little winter sweater that probably every closet needs. Loving this color. And then here's the back. I do have it just like tucked a little bit and then still with jeans. I feel like, again, there's just so many options you could do with this over like a dress and then do like a belt. Just so cute and perfect for the winter time. This brand is definitely impressing me with the quality so far of these items, like absolute A+, 10 out of 10 so far. This is V-Show. Oh my God, guys, I didn't click it. Someone has to yell at me. Wow, and this is on sale right now, so definitely a steal. I feel like this would be perfect for like any little holiday outfit, whether it be cozy or dress it up, just tons of options. So last little looks at this. This goes all the way up. if you, you know, are going like outside skiing, whatever. And then I do a little fold like so. But this is adorable, am I right? Okay, let's see which one we have next. I think it's gonna be this little Christmas pattern one I got. And let's open her up. Also, happy Friday, guys. We finally made it. I cannot tell you how happy I am when I get home from my full-time job every week on Friday. It is like a whole breath of fresh air. This is our next one. How adorable. We have this cute little Christmas print on here. This is like a sweater knit, a lightweight sweater. And then I do just have this tank top on under, but it is like a, almost like boat neck, whatever you call this. But it's kind of like, you could do an off the shoulder if you wanted to, like so. But it's definitely like a wide neck compared to like a basic, just like crew neck. So, but seriously, how cute is this little pattern? There's like a reindeer, the Christmas tree goes all the way around the front, and then the back is just all these cute little polka dot kind of things. But once again, great quality. I'm wearing a size small for reference. I'm like 5'1", so I do have it folded under, but for length purposes, you could pull it all the way down to cover your bottom. But otherwise, I just like to do for like a comfy slouchy look and kind of roll it under like so. But this is just so cute and making me so excited for the holidays. I finally put up my Christmas tree and decorated my whole like living room, and it's like, you know, my little Christmas wonderland out there now. So it's making me very excited for the holidays, even though I've done zero gift shopping. So here is our third. And honestly, this would be a great little Christmas gift too, or pre-Christmas gift if you and your family do like Christmas sweaters or Christmas pictures. This is just so cute and comfy and easy to just like dress this up or down, honestly. Could do this with a skirt. I have this with jeans, but also would be cute with just like leggings. And then for work, I'll be just wearing this with some scrub pants. So A+ on this one. I'm very impressed with both of these brands. This one is by Lil Better. Have not tried anything from them before, but I'm definitely approving. But the next one is actually going to be a different style. This is like an open cardigan. This one is definitely like a lightweight sweater material, but has this really nice like crochet pattern in the details. So we just have like a normal rib going around, and then if you can see, I have the white shirt under, so it makes it a lot easier to see the pattern. But it's just kind of this like see-through crochet, not fully see-through, it's just a tiny bit sheer with the knit. But this is so adorable and so comfy at the same time. And I'm not usually a cardigan style person, but this one I think is changing my outfit choices. Let me get a little bit closer and show you guys the back. But again, just like absolute top quality for all of this, all of these sweaters, the material. I'm just very impressed right now. And then you have like the long rib on the sleeve, but just so flattering. Hits the perfect length, not too heavy, but still like warm and just cute. I feel like this is the perfect little color for fall. I would love to do this with some brown boots, I think, to style, and then like a brown bag would be great. But overall, just A+ on these. I'm obsessed with all 4 of these, but thanks for sticking around and doing a little unboxing with me. Tonight was just a quick one, but we still did a nice little try on, and hope you guys enjoy all these little styles. Again, this was from Visho and Lil Better. Make sure you check out the sales right now. Some really cute little options for the holidays and as the weather's getting colder. So you know I love my sweaters, and you know I love my outerwear. So stay tuned. I'll definitely have some more lives coming up. But overall, just make sure you're following my storefront, and that's where I post all of my try-on content and make sure that, you know, they're all up to date. So have a wonderful weekend, guys. Had so much fun. Bye.